Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a silk thread earring easily. Let's start. I have taken green color thread here and Jhumka base wrapped with green color thread. Take a base, apply glue at the bottom corner and paste white color big size pearl chain around the Jhumka. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Again at the top, apply glue and paste green color ball chain. At the end, after pasting, cut the extra chain and paste it. Now take a small size half pearls. Again apply glue at the top and paste it one by one around the Jhumka. And now after pasting around the Jhumka half pearl, again apply glue at the top of pearls we have pasted and paste green color ball chain around it. And now after pasting, cut the end extra chain and paste it. And now at the top of green color ball chain, apply glue again and paste light green color half pearl one by one like this around the Jhumka. Now apply glue at the top and paste green color ball chain again and cut the extra chain and paste it. Now again at the top apply glue and paste a round stone cap and stone ball. Take a eye pin and insert a head pin part and close the loop. Now again insert big size ball and insert the eye pin into a Jhumka. Now at the end, at the top, cut the extra pin and make a loop at the top. Now Jhumka base is ready now. Take a hook. At the bottom, open a loop and insert Jhumka into it. After that, close the loop tightly. Now Jhumka is ready. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.